I mean, any retailer that is vertically integrated has a benefit. That's my view, because you control the product development, you control, depends on how far back you are, but you control production, material choices, and the cost of that in a much better way than if you're not. If you're not vertically integrated, you are just a retailer selling other companies' products. And then you're in the hand, from a cost point of view, from a product point of view, you're in the hands of those retailers or product companies. So I think vertical integration is good. And it comes to circularity, of course, it provides you with all the possibilities to change the products, to work with your supply chain, and also to integrate circularity throughout the value chain of your company, which is a necessity if you're going to succeed in the end. Because it's not only about the customer and meeting the customer and changing the business model in adding renting, subscription or leasing. You have to take it all the way back. Because if you don't, you will not sort of harvest the benefits in the end. So vertical integration is, for me, always better. Otherwise, I think retailer or retail platforms need to put up requirements to their brands, to the brands they have on the platform, on circularity. I think it will take a longer time to do that if they're not committed already, the brands, to go for circular products and to work with their supply chain. So I think the companies that are vertically integrated will be faster and more successful in changing or moving towards a more circular business model.